Hey guys, so you know what's scary as hell? Giant snow.
Jeez, look at how big these are. Like, damn.
Yeah. Now it's pretty much a blizzard outside. It's pretty much a whiteout and it's windy and it's scary as hell. This morning it was all sunny and nice, didn't even need a jacket. Now I'd rather really not go outside. Welcome to Colorado, the land of wait 5 minutes to see the weather change. But it's weather like this that really makes me want some hot chocolate.
Alright, hot chocolate.
But while your milk is in the microwave heating to the proper temperature in order to let the chocolate syrup dissolve properly, you have to do something useful with the 2 minutes that your milk is in there. I need to do something useful before the 2 minutes are up. Like vacuuming your house. Practicing karate. Training your dog.
Up. Good girl.
Turn around. Come on. Turn around. Turn around.
Okay, go girl.
Now sit. Sit.
Good girl. Oh.
Doing the happy dance. Playing the piano. The list goes on and on, but as long as you do something useful with your time, then your hot chocolate is even more worth it in the end. And yes, I'm completely aware that I switched cups. The plastic cup was incredibly hot when I pulled it out of the microwave. So I hope you guys enjoy the weather wherever you are. Thanks for watching, and remember to rate and subscribe. See you next time.